What's up everybody, this is Jake and I'm taking you guys on a journey today where I have two vehicles for over $500 today. They're both at the same house. One is a 1987 Mercedes, which I'm excited about, an old nice vehicle. The other one's a hatchback Cadillac. And I just pulled up to the driveway, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I like to do whenever I'm pulling everything and getting everything ready is get air in the air compressor ASAP because it takes time to fill up. While I'm doing that, my wife gets the steamer ready with the second extension cord to be able to heat that up because that also takes time. So if you have something that takes time, do that first so you're ready to go.
Here's our cheap steamer that we bought a little while ago. We like to use it for the door jams, and this little scrubber does its magic. The steam's real hot. I think it's the 100 or 125 cheap steamer, and it's been doing great. You don't need to add distilled water. You can just use tap water, which is really nice because I know other steamers you can only use distilled water. And it also has a separate tank on the outside. When you add extra water, usually you have to wait until the water heats up. With this one, you don't need to do that. It's just you can keep refilling it and not waiting for the water to heat up after you do the initial heat up.
Oh my God!
All right, I got the air compressor going and Angel's working on the first vehicle over there, and I'm gonna be starting on this. I just pulled out the hoses and the air compressor. Once it's done getting ready, I'm gonna blow out the whole Mercedes first, then I'm gonna blow out the Cadillac right after that. I'll hit the mats real quick once I finish blowing out the Mercedes, and then we'll kind of just work back and forth between the two vehicles depending on who's doing what. Typically me and Angel, my wife, our system is I'll hit the vacuum, I'll hit the air compressor, I'll do the floor mats while she's steaming and wiping down everything. If you have a partner, figure out a system that works for you. It just picks up everything, and it's like you don't even really have to do anything else unless there's stains or something stuck in there. As you can see, it's already like basically clean. Thing really picks up the dirt. It's a 1987, so there's built up dirt for sure. guys, it's 9:30 now. We got here at 8. We just finished vacuuming both vehicles interior, the entire thing, for the first vacuum. Angel finished steam cleaning all the door jambs and the trunk. So now we're gonna hit all the surfaces and the details on the interior, wiping it down, the glass, everything like that. And then we'll be done with the interior, and then we'll hit outside of both vehicles. We're on really good time right now, so we'll just keep moving forward. I just finished the entire back seat. The trunk's done. I went ahead and shut that. I wiped down the entire ceiling, chairs in the back of them, the driver's seat, all the dashboard area. Because this car is an 86, a lot of the stuff is like really hard to get out. Like as you see right here, I haven't hit this side, but all this, it's just like embedded inside of there. I am getting a lot of it up, but a lot of it is gonna stay there just because of how old the car is. We do what we can. Some things are just beyond repair. Alright guys, it's 12:38 and we just finished the interiors of both vehicles, so over 4.5 hours. It's okay, you know, when you're really being detailed, it takes time, so that's alright. Now we're on the outside. It should take us around an hour. The Mercedes is pretty small. Cadillac is a little bit bigger, but shouldn't be too long. I'm gonna spray it down and then you're gonna hit the wheels while the soap's dwelling. We just got these from Walmart. Good thing we got them because none of our other ones would have fit in here. I like to clean the inside first because it's the most dirtiest, and then clean the others after. As you can see, all this black stuff. Yeah, when you put the spray wax on, it literally picks up the water so much easier, and it literally slides the towel. I would throw it, I'd have to like pull real hard. But now that we use that stuff, it's like so easy. Now we'll do the last wipe down and then we'll spray and we'll dry and we'll be done. All right, we're headed out. We just finished, it's 2:16. So 8 o'clock to 2:15 pretty much. And now we're gonna go pick up the kids, which is perfect timing. 2 cars in one day works so well because our kids get out of school at 2:30. So, you know, we kind of extend the time and fill 2 cars in between 8 and 2:30. It's a $538 day. I don't mind putting a little bit of extra time into the 2 cars that we detail. Overall, it went very well. There's still sap on the paint, and we let the customer know that, hey, if you would like us to remove this sap and then polish it to remove the etched stain in the paint, we can do that the next time we come. And she said that we did so good, we even did better than the other guy she used. And that was a day with me making over $500 in one day with just me and my wife. It was a pretty easy, chilled day. The older Mercedes was pretty detailed, pretty dirty, and a lot of the stuff just couldn't come out, and that's okay. You know, you gotta understand, and the customer typically understands too. Our job is to clean what we can clean. If something needs repaired or replaced, you guys don't worry about it. Of course, use the elbow grease, but don't go overboard, and don't worry if something's not coming up that needs to be replaced, especially in a 1987 vehicle. That thing was old. That's the oldest car we cleaned so far. So it was a little tricky getting everything, but I'm super happy with the results, and so is the customer, so it was a good day. All right, everyone, make sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate all the support so far. Comment if you like this video. Comment if you have suggestions. Comment if you want to see something specific. And I'll see you guys in the next video.